Okay, I'm using this little tiny ESP32S3 based camera to recognize objects, and you could see I'm pointing it at a potted plant here, and by golly, it's seeing a potted plant. Now I'm going to work on getting these speeds better. It's taken 332 milliseconds to do the recognition stage, so classification I mean. So I also have this one set up to look at bicycles. So we'll see in a future video if we can get this going quicker, and I'd like to get it down under 100 milliseconds if possible. Okay, I've recompiled the app with a support for the inboard processor for vector multiplication within the ESP32S3 chip, and now I'm getting nearly 10 times faster response time at 43 milliseconds as opposed to well over 300 yesterday. And there's a plant it's looking at. Let's look at a big plant. We're getting not as good probability when looking downward like that, but still seeing a plant. So I'm very happy with the speed. I'm going to, I still need some more images because it's giving false positives occasionally when it's not looking at a plant. And that's the only real problem I'm seeing here. So I'm using a phone as a serial terminal to carry this thing around with me without having to drag a notebook computer. The next step will be to make a waterproof case for the whole setup, because I'm going to be using it with a robot that waters plants, and it's probably going to get sprayed quite a bit.